All right, so part practice number 3 looks a lot like some of the ones we've been working on actually lately in class. It's asking us to write a 2-variable equation. It gives us all this information up here. So one thing I would press you to do, if you haven't done this, I would say try to write an equation using a table first. So think about what your amounts might be. You might have the number of family members, number of members in the family, and you might have the total cost over here, because those are the things that are going to affect it, right? So if I have 2 family members, I know it's going to be $8.50 times 2, but then they're going to split. They're going to buy one thing of popcorn plus 12. What if it were, and you can stop this video at any point, you can use this to figure this out and go fix your equation. Try that at any time, because then you're going to try this for F number of family members, right? All right, if I do this though, I would get the total cost, which is represented by the variable T. Well, let's keep going. Let's try another one. So if it were, I don't know, 10 family members, we'd do $8.50 times 10 family members, add 12 for popcorn, that'll tell us total cost. So if we add 17 family members, big family, maybe bringing your cousins, aunts, and uncles, you're treating them out one night, times 17, add 12, we'd still get the total cost if we were to calculate that all out. So the only difference is if it's F, then it's going to be $8.50 times F, add 12, that equals T. So that tells us our equation right there. $8.50 times F, just put it next to it, you don't need the dot or the X. And if you do that, you got to add 12 for the popcorn. That will tell you T, the total cost. Now it also wants to know what the cost is going to be I guess, nope, this is a different problem. So this part you can ignore. That has nothing to do with this problem. For this one, we're just writing an equation. But it does say that the family was trying to stay under their budget for $35 for their trip to the movie theater. If there are 5 family members, did they achieve their goal? Well, let's think here. So we've got our equation of $8.50 per family member, plus they got $12 for that, and that's going to give us the total. Now let's think about what we wanted to happen. We wanted to spend less than $35. So it means this has to be less than 35. And we said there's not F number of family members anymore. Now there are 5 family members. Make sure you had this part done. Make sure you had this part done before you work on it right now. So I got to do $8.50 times 5 to start with here. So I might need to actually work that out. $8.50 times 5. I know 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 8 is 40. Add 2 is 42. If I have 2 decimal places total in my problem, none down here, I move 2 over in my answer. So it looks like I've got $42.50, but I still have to add the 12 for my popcorn. So if I do this, I end up with $42.50. I need to add $12 to that. So I get 50 cents, 4 here, 5 here. So it looks like if it was their goal to stay under $35 for 5 people, that looks like that did not happen. Because this should have been, right, $54.50. That was supposed to be less than $35, and that's not a true statement, so they didn't make it. So it looks like we need to explain, did they achieve their goal? So first we should write our assertion, right? And our assertion here is, well, did they achieve their goal or did they not? We would say they did not achieve their goal. Achieve their goal. And so I might show just a little bit of work to do that. Not a lot. I might show something like this. 850 times 5 plus 12 equals 5450. So now I would need to state another fact. I would need to say they actually spent. So remember, all this stuff not going on the computer, not something they'll grade. They actually spent $54.50 total, which is blank dollars over their budget. So it's that simple. So now I just got to figure out how far over their budget they went. So they're supposed to spend 35. They actually spent 54.50. Let's figure out how far over they went. They were supposed to do $35. So how far over were they? 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 5, need to regroup. This becomes a 4. The 4 becomes a 14. 14 from 5 is, let's say 9. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So they actually spent $54.50 total, which is $19.50 over their budget. So maybe bring one less person and make sure that you maybe don't buy the popcorn next time.